An instrument is a supplementary app that you build that helps you get insight into the inner workings of your actual app. You don't share the instrument with your users. It's meant to help you debug and inspect and understand what's going on. Usually when people are vibe coding an app, they are kind of throwing prompts into a black box and you're spraying and praying with tokens, hoping that the right thing happens. Instruments rely more on evidence than on prayer. And here's a simple example. So I have these badges in my to-do list app showing priority for the different to-do items, and I want to tweak their design a little bit. I could just prompt the system to change these, but I want to do it in a more deliberate way. Create an instrument that lets me play with some different design options for the priority pills, and make sure as I change their properties in the instrument, those changes are reflected live in the app. I'd like to change the color and the labels and maybe the border style. All right, it's done building the instrument, and we can open it in a split view with our app. So what Glide has built is basically, it's a component lab, is what it called it. And if I switch to the priority pill component, this is one of the core interface elements of my app that I want to experiment with and change. So I have this unimportant label, and I want to change it just to say low priority. And I'm going to just change the word low. Oh, I have a conflict. I already have low priority. So I'll change it to say none. And for high priority, I want the background to be a little bit brighter. And so I'll save that, and we'll see that these high pills change to have a background color. And critical, I want it to say urgent, and I want it to have a dashed border. So I'll save and sync just so it really pops out. Now, each one of those changes had no AI involved. There was no language model, no loop. They were deterministic changes, and I could change as many times as I want, and it wouldn't spend tokens. Now, this is a little bit a toy example of changing simple user interface elements like this, but this extends to changes to algorithms, to how things are computed, to any aspect of your app that's not visible in the interface can be demonstrated and probed and manipulated inside of an instrument. So yeah, we hope this is a useful concept when you're building software in Glide or in other tools.